Hey everybody, welcome back to this edition of Writer Groupie. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping in. I hope you'll like and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you as a fan and a follower. Also, this is kind of book month. May to me is book month. And so I've been talking about books that I'm reading and books that I intend to read on the channel. If you haven't seen last week's video, check that out in the card above. I intend to do a little bit more book talking today. We're going to do a Scribbler unboxing, and I always get a new book in my Scribbler boxes, and that's exciting for me. So I hope you'll stick around. I'll be right back. And away we go. Curious to know what's in my Scribbler box this month. And of course, I have got it upside down. Here we go. First up is the Scribbler writing contest. They always give us an opportunity to take part of a writing contest every month. And I'm going to do this. Entries close May 15th. If you haven't gotten your Scribbler box yet, you need to get one. Got all my little fluffy stuff. Ooh, nice. A set of 2 pens, black ink, pretty pens. I like these. They look fancy. I'm excited about that. Want to see what else is going to happen? Whee! Also in our Scribbler box every month, we get a snack. And this is by Lesser Evil. And it says, Simple Acts, Clean Snacks. This is the premium quality, minimally processed popcorn with Himalayan pink salt and organic extra virgin coconut oil. This is non-GMO, gluten-free, and vegan. And I'm excited about this. I'm going to watch some TV later on today, and I'm going to eat some snacks while I'm doing it. And every month, we get a gift. And this is our gift item this month. It says Happy Little Stories, and it's binder clips of all different sizes. And as you can see, they have smiley faces on them. Aren't they precious? I'm so excited about this, you guys. And this month, I got a magnet. This says #writer. I think this magnet might fit on my car. What do you think? You think I should put it on my car? I'll have to think about that. This may be past time by the time this video gets up, but there's an exclusive chat with Erica Bauman. Erica is a graduate of Johns Hopkins University, has worked in the publishing industry since 2012. Prior to Avitas, which is a literary agency, she worked at Spectrum Literary Agency based in New York. Erica represents a wide variety of authors across middle grade, young adult, and commercial adult fiction. This is a free chat with Erica. I'm excited about that, you guys. Even though it may be past by the time you're seeing this, believe me, I'm not going to miss it. Also, every month we get a little passport, and this is about scaring your audience. Victoria and Lizzie say, whatever you're writing, make sure you love it. And apparently the author this month loves scaring their readers because it's Kayla Cottingham. And Kayla's bio says she's a YA author and librarian. Originally from Salt Lake City, Utah, Kayla lives just outside of Boston, where she goes hiking in the woods, pets any and all dogs, and plays RPGs. She's passionate about connecting young people with books featuring diverse voices so they can see themselves and their communities represented on the page. Her debut horror novel, My Dearest Darkness, is out in spring of 2022 from Sourcebooks Fire. Thank you so much, Scribbler, for giving me this cool little handbook. We always get a publishing look inside to tell us what all is in our box. And I'll be looking through that later, going over my admired things. This month we have a postcard. It's a postcard, and it's got art from Haunted Churros, artwork by @HauntedChurros. This is a part of the Fire Reads collection. I believe this must go with the book in here today, and let's see what it is. It's My Dearest Darkness. This is my book plate from Kayla Cottingham. And guess what? Here's the book. And I'm so excited. My Dearest Darkness by Kayla Cottingham. Here's the blurb. While all towns have their ghosts, Rainwater's were special. The island had a habit of keeping things long after they were gone. And when Finch Chamberlain stepped foot into Rainwater, Maine, it decided to keep her. Finch Chamberlain is the newest transfer student to the ultra-competitive Eula Academy. She's also not what she seems. Before school started, Finch and her parents were in an accident that should have left her dead, but something monstrous and ancient and terrifying wouldn't let her die. Finch doesn't know why she woke up after her heart stopped, and ever since, she's felt a constant pull to the town of Rainwater, like something there is calling to her. Selena St. Clair rules Eula Academy. She's careful not to let anyone get too close to her until she meets Finch. The two girls are instantly drawn to each other, even though Selena fears letting Finch in will change everything. One night, Finch, Selena, and their friends accidentally summon a creature of immense power in the depths of the school. It promises to grant every desire the girls have kept locked away in their insecure hearts: beauty, power, adoration, in exchange for a price. But as the cost of their wanting becomes more deadly, Finch and Selena must learn to work together to stop the horror they've unleashed before it consumes the entire island. This book is from firereads.com by Kayla Cottingham, my dearest darkest. And I can't wait to read this. And thank you so much, Scribbler, for providing me with another delightful book. I look forward to reading this one. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.